lip onto the vehicle in position. Apply double-sided tape to the back of the upper rear section. Position the front lip at the correct installation point. Secure it by tightening self-tapping screws at suitable lower positions. If you want the gap to look more aesthetically pleasing, you can fill the gap with silicone sealant. First, apply painter's tape on both sides of the gap. Fill the gap with silicone sealant. Use your finger or a suitable tool to smooth and press down the silicone sealant. Finally, remove the painter's tape and address any imperfections as needed.